I took this path I'd never noticed before near Bardon Hill. It turned into one of the best local walks I've done. So come and join me.
Let's go! So here we have it, the main event, a new path. I've not been up here before, so we're going to go and have a look, see how we get on. Excited, might lead to nothing, but who knows, let's go. This new pathway is well marked. There's yellow markers every few hundred yards. And you've got the new quarry face there, I don't know if you can really see it. I know where I am now. It takes you in a really nice loop all the way around Bardon, and come out this gate, turn right, and we can climb up to Bardon Hill, up to the top. That's fantastic. I know where I am. Happy days. I love it. This path goes to the bottom of the stairs. If you go right, you can go straight up to Bardon Hill Peak, or you can go left and then through the forest up to Bardon Hill Peak. Which one do I do today? Which way? Straight on, to the left, to the right? We're gonna go left. Yeah, it's really beautiful around here, look. Never been this way before. It's absolutely gorgeous with the bluebells out and everything. Looks like quite a new sty. So it's a high one. Wow. Oh, I've got a bit of a scramble going off here, so I've attached this to my rucksack strap. Let's see how this goes. I think we'll do that. Been wanting to do that for a very long time. There you go, look, straight down to the quarry. There we are. Bardon Hill done again.